Today we are in a beautiful place, Seattle downtown. If you see this place, Seattle downtown has got two beautiful locations. One is Space Needle. The Space Needle is 605 feet tall, and then they constructed this in 1960s. Imagine 605 feet tall, and they constructed so many years, and it is getting almost 1.5 million visitors per year. So that's the beauty of this Seattle. If you see the other side, that's a Columbia Center. That's 76-story building. That is 76 floors in this building. Then the beauty of this construction is those constructions have been done in a slang. That means a sliding place. This place is basically mountain place. The roads are like ups and downs. So that's why you are seeing all this structure. Okay, let's come back to today's subject. Today's subject: does karma affect you with your willing or without your willing? Karma is all about the consequence you are seeing, the action you have already done it in your past. Let me repeat. Karma is all about the after effect or the consequence of the events which you have done in your past life. So it could be good or bad. Okay, let's come back to the subject. No one can harm you. How? Because in karma theory, when someone harm you, that means you already would have done some karma, some bad thing to other people, and that is what is harming you. I think you understand what I mean. Anything in this world which you are going through, any suffering which you are going through, understand this one point. That means that those sufferings you would have done it in your past with someone or something. If you understand these basic things, you will never get agitated when someone is trying to attack you, when someone is trying to do something. Rather, you try to handle them. This person is trying to harm me, and what should I do? How do I protect myself? And go through that karma. If you can withstand this, if you can really follow this one principle, let me repeat it again. Anything happen to you or anything will be happening to you, all these things, I'm talking about the sufferings, all these things are your karmas. That means you would have done something bad to others, and those things are coming back to you through somebody, not the same person. Doesn't mean the same person, but somebody it's coming to you. You have to go through it, and you have to try to protect and understand that this is something which I have done it. These things are applicable without you doing anything, and you are suffering. Okay? So if you understand this, then you will understand no one will harm you without your actions. That is a real secret, my dear friends. No one will harm you without your actions, your negative actions. So how do I live? Then you may ask me. So having realized everything, how do I live? That's very simple. Your actions or your way of speaking to others should not affect current moment, present moment, also in future. I'll repeat. Your action or way you communicate to others should not harm others, present moment or future moment. That means you are good to go in your life. It's pretty simple secret. We are talking in front of this beautiful place. Please understand the theory, which is karma theory, that is created by you, nobody else. That means no one can harm you. If you have done good thing to others, you will definitely reap it. If you have done something bad thing to others, that is also you'll have to go through. That's it.
Saha TV is exclusively for human upliftment. Please subscribe now and press bell icon so that you will never miss an update. Thank you.